Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a little bit of a collaboration with Motorhead, as well as, where's he at? V-Tune. He's around here somewhere, I promise.
He's hiding from the work.
He's hiding from the work. You know, a good worker is hard to find. So first thing Ben does when he shows up, he hides. But we have a small little job here. I think maybe one day situation with all of us on it. Quarter panel on this Lincoln. Basically just need to remove this quarter skin and replace it. We have a donor quarter here. As you guys can see, it's already black, so we don't have to paint it. But it should be a simple operation. So to start, what we are going to do on our side, I'm going to go ahead and start drilling out the donor quarter panel. We've got a bunch of spot welds all around it that need to be removed, and then we'll pop it off, and hopefully by then they'll have the other quarter panel removed as well, so then we can just swap them and it'll be done. All right, so I've got everything drilled out and most of it has been separated already. We just have a couple of spots like under here that are glued, and on the wheel well, there's some glue as well. So we've got the little torch here. We're gonna heat it up a little bit and see if we can separate it. Alright, so I'm going to take off the quarter and we're going to bend out that inner structure just a bit, and then we'll put it back on, see how that gap looks. And the door looks like it's already pretty good. The quarter will probably have to come forward just a hair. I think that's a lot to do with the fact that we still have to trim that. But yeah, it's looking really good. So let's get this thing off.
cut it down to the exact size here.
All right, so we've got this tail light mounted up, and everything's looking pretty good. It looks like it's almost ready to weld. These gaps look real nice. The gaps on that side look real nice, and tail light's lining up. I mean, we do need to screw it down, obviously. But now what we need to do is we'll let V-Tune cut this piece right here, you know, just so in case something happens, it's not gonna be on me. But that needs to be cut, and then we need to cut it down here, probably somewhere like right here, and weld it on. All right, so we have the quarter mocked up. We've got it clamped down. It's almost ready to weld. We just need to make sure that all the gaps are nice, and right now they are looking very good. Look at that. Beautiful gaps. Very nice. right, so I grinded it down a little bit. It looks really good. It's nice and flat. Look at that. Ready for Bondo. Mark and Vlad will be doing the body work in the future on motorhead.co. So go check them out. Hit that subscribe button, even though I'm sure most of you guys are already subscribed. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button if you want. And also check us out on Instagram at 23rd_garage. And I will see you guys in the next episode. Peace out.